So guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know how long it's been since I posted a video, but I figured I'd post one, and this was going to be pretty funny. Yeah, it's going to be funny. I'm actually going to show you guys the camera setup that I'm going to be using to make my video quality better. So I'll show you guys this first. Right there, Sony, all that stuff. I have a big camera, so that's what I'm gonna be using, guys. The lighting might be blurry, but make it weird. No, it's good. It's good. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so today's video, you saw it on the title. I haven't said it yet, but you saw it. Okay, so today it's gonna be really funny. We're gonna be making car sounds, and I can't do diesel trucks or nothing like that yet, but with a can. Okay, guys. So all you gotta do is take your hand and squish the can in at half of the can, and then make it where the metal's touching. Okay, and bend it a bit or that way, and blow into it. Okay, so people say not to crunch it up at the bottom, but I just made a little mark, I just put a little bit of one in it, and that's to make the rumbling sound. You can make a louder rumbling sound with that. Okay, I'll explain. And whenever it goes, I don't know, that last little part. And so all you gotta do is take the pop can, squeeze it down the middle, maybe bend it. You can bend it back and forward depending on what sound you want. So if you bend it back the other way, it lowers it and makes it into like a rally car. But now if I bend it back the other way, it sounds like a Lambo. Or an Indy car. So guys, it's actually really loud, so you might want to wear in protection. I don't know. Sorry if that was really loud, because it really is actually. So and yeah, it's echoing in my ears, and I can tell around my house is. So yeah, all you gotta do is get a can, bend it to the middle, maybe do that, because that's what makes the rumbling sound. Bend it. So all you gotta do is kind of just yell into it, be like, it's actually really easy. So this is my last time, and we'll leave. So that's the can sound for a car, and I hope you guys like that video. It's really funny to do. You can go and impress your friends and everything. See y'all later.